How do you guys get in here? Was this door open?
No, we unlocked the door. Mrs. Hyde has a key.
Ted, this was kind of stupid. We should have went here.
Oh my god. You guys shouldn't have came.
He wanted
I know,
to hang out
really.
with Jordy.
She's obviously not here.
So?
Yeah, but I was like, well, why didn't you come right home? I was like, I don't know.
There's now 2 inches of water everywhere. And probably 3 inches in the moon room.
There's a leg on the ground.
Now what we need to do is...
No, where is the tiger? Oh, I have those right there. Yes. Yes. CD's 10 lost, though.
No, just give up now.
Oh, damn it. It's all black.
There we go. Cool, rock, save
Just as the lights went off. Yep. Hi, Natalie. You can't even see it. You have night vision on there? No. Hi, Corey. I am so startled right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. We're gonna die here. I really don't see how the police can get
Look, they can't.
They're gonna bring a boat.
They're bringing a boat?
Probably.
They're on a little sailboat.
We're getting on the boat.
With the flag. No, I want to see like a cruise ship. They're bringing a cruise ship.